Hello folks, this is Jerry again of jerry.tv. This is my unboxing video of my new Rode Videomic. I bought it yesterday. So let's test and see what inside this box. Okay, let's do it. So let's open these Rode microphones for my camera. So here she is. Look, what a nice. I think this is a battery compartment. A battery compartment, and this is the cable. This cable is fixed here. With the anti-shock mount. You see that? And this for this. And this is the manual. Rode microphones, Videomic installation manual. And one sticker from Rode. And this is a quality insurance checklist. And this one, it's a warranty. It's a warranty card. So I need to register it to the Rode website late after this. And some rubber to replace the rubber here. This for this. Some spares. Okay. Let's test it. And before I do that, I have the battery here. It's 9 volts. So let's open. And negative is this side, and positive at that side. Okay. Put it, and then close. Close it. Oh, how to close it? Voila. And this is the switch here in the back. It's off. Then if you want to open it, turn on. With lights. See the lights? And in the upper, if you turn it to the upper level there, it's the high pass. Yes, high pass filter. I think it's recommended in that position. You see that? Because in the middle it's a flat sound. In that position it's the high filter, high pass filter. Okay, let's do it, and we'll touch it to my camera that I'm using now. My Panasonic HCVX 870. Okay, Now it's connected. My Rode microphone. Now did you hear the sound? It's very clear. Now let's listen to the built-in microphone of my camera. Okay, and let me see the difference. And now I'm talking to the built-in camera of my built-in microphone. Sorry, built-in microphone of my camera. Did you hear the difference? It's nice with the external microphone for vlogging, reacting videos, and filming. Yeah, it's nice. Okay. And this is with my microphone. I connected my Rode microphone. It's nice sound. And this is my review of my new microphone for the camera, for my camcorder. It's Rode Videomic from Rode. Okay, thank you very much. And please subscribe to my channel, jeremy.tv. Merci beaucoup.